Hello, in this video we'll review about the BOBCA credit card. This card is mainly for the ICAI members exclusive. This card is bought in partnership with the ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, in partnership with the Bank of Baroda. This card is only for the ICAI members who are the chartered accountants. So in this video we'll talk about the eligibility and the reward points and how the pros and cons of this credit card. Who are First of all, who are eligible to apply for this credit card? All eligible and active members of ICAI are eligible to apply this credit card, and he must be a resident of India and he must be 18 plus years of the age. And what are all the documents required for this credit card application? The complete online application is online. The documents are required are PAN card copy and ICAI membership card and latest salary slip or latest income tax return. Or this card is also offered based upon the card to card basis also. So existing credit card statement can also be submitted, and the current residence address proof is required. Along with that, one passport size photography is required. With all these documents in the soft copy, we can submit online application which just completes in 5 to 10 minutes if all these documents are ready. And the credit card, if all the criteria are met, the application will be processed within 7 days. And let us talk about the reward points. Here for this credit card, one reward point equal to rupees 0.25, that is 25 paisa. And the reward rate is one reward point for every 100 rupees spent. In terms of cashback, this is 0.25% cashback, and there is also 5 times of the reward points that is spent upon eligible purchases. The eligible purchases are online, utility and dining bills. And in terms of cashback, when we talk about this comes to 1.25% cashback, but the rewards are capped at 1000 points per month upon the 5x reward points. So more than that, for 5x reward point, one reward point for every 100 rupees spent, a normal reward rate is applicable. And there is also bonus reward points in a month on making the transactions of worth 1000 or more in each month. We were eligible to get 1000 reward points and 4000 reward points on spending the card limit in a quarter. For example, if our card limit is 1 lakh, if we spend 1 lakh on the BOBCA credit card, we will be getting 4000 reward points as a bonus, that is 1000 rupees. And there is also 1% fuel surcharge waiver is also applicable on transactions between 400 to 5000, and the maximum fuel surcharge waiver is rupees 250 per statement cycle. So up to 25,000 we will be getting fuel purchase, will be getting fuel surcharge waiver. More than that, we won't be getting any kind of surcharge. So let us look into the features. And there is also easy EMI option for the purchases greater than or equal to 2500. We can convert in 6 to 36 months based depending upon our criteria and our need. And this card comes with 3 free add-on credit card. There would be no add-on card charges. We can get 3 add-on cards for children or spouse, and zero liability on the last card. For example, when we report the fraudulent transaction occurring in our card, our liability comes to zero. That would be taken care by the bank. And this card comes with the lifetime free credit card. There would be no joining or annual fees. Any kind of hidden charges won't be there. This is absolutely free credit card. And apart from this, there is a domestic airport lounge access at participating airports, but these are limited to 3 per quarter. That would come to 12 in a year. And pros and cons, as this card comes with no joining and annual fees, beginners can use this card, I suggest. And these days many online platforms like Cred for making the payment rent on the credit card for bank transfer, and the Tata Click, Amazon and other offline stores such as Vijay Sales are offering good card discounts on the BOBCA credit card. Even the reward rates are low and we can use for this discount. And this card comes with the lifetime free credit card. Whenever the discounts are there, we can make use of it and we can make the best purchase. And reward redemption is directly reflected in the card statement. When we make the redemption, there would be no reward, no charges on the redemption, or there are no conditions. Any kind of conditions are not there for redeeming this reward points. And coming to the cons, this card has a very low rate of rewards in the online segment and offline segment. Actually, there are cards with 1%, 2% cashback like Amazon Pay, ICICI credit card, Axis Ace credit card. Compared to those credit card, for regular transaction, we can't use this card, so since it has a very low rate of reward. And let us look into the value chart. For example, online segment, if we have transacted about 50,000 in a month, and the reward points would be 500 for every 100 spent, and the bonus reward points would be 5 times of the reward points, so that would be 1000. Plus, along with that, there is also transacting 1000 worth the transaction for 5 transactions in a month. That would also be 1000 reward point. In total 2000, total points comes to 2500, and the cashback would be 625. For example, offline segment, if you have transacted in a month 40,000, and the reward points comes to 400, and the total points would be 400, and the cashback would be 100. Milestone in a quarter, for example, if the card comes with a 1 lakh rupees credit limit, and if you have transacted in a quarter 1 lakh on the BOBCA credit card, we are eligible to get 4000 reward points. So these 4000 reward points would be accumulated to 1000 cashback. Thank you for watching this video.